This is the second meeting we are having after the elections of all the candidates along with the election agents. The first meeting was on 7th of February, and this is the second meeting. We took stock of the situation. We briefed the candidates regarding the procedures for the counting agents. They also interacted. It was an interaction. We have given them the instructions as far as the counting agents, and we also discussed the other things regarding the results and on the result day. Anything you all wanted to know? We have given them a format so that we know each booth, how many votes are there, how many votes were polled, and in case there is any doubt or discrepancy, every counting agent has got a right to object or ask for recount, and also even ask for the counting of the slips. And those will be in extreme cases. It is the right of the candidates and their candidates' agents. In case there is any discrepancy, they can always ask for a recount. I told you we are expecting 23 to 25. That is what I had said, and I am still saying the same thing.
So you get the majority.
We should have this time the majority. I know there are a lot of doubting Thomases who were saying that Congress will not get more than 3 seats. And even some of our senior leaders were saying it. But today, the situation is from minus to plus. And I give the credit first to the people of Goa, and then credit to all the congressmen who work hard.
So what about if Congress don't get majority? Are they ready to land with MGP?
I am positive.
Positive.
Yeah.
So you don't have any issue with the MGP?
I am very positive. So I think positive. And I told you last time, if any other candidate who feels that they believe in the Congress ideology, Congress policies and programs, especially our manifesto, they are free to support us.
Especially you are talking about independent candidate, right?
Anybody. You see, I have worked at the national level as a general secretary, and we don't take such decisions. These decisions are taken after the elections at the CLP meeting. And there will be some observers from the High Command, so that the decision will be taken at the CLP. Congress believes in a democracy. And in a democracy, the elected representatives will decide as to the leader.